Hi everybody, I hope you're doing well. So today I picked up a Corgi TRACKSIDE Ruston Bucyrus shovel excavator, which I thought was a really good deal. The full information on it is it's a Corgi TRACKSIDE British Army World War II Ruston Bucyrus, part number 19RB, and it's a shovel model, and the Corgi code is DG225008, and it's a scale of 1 to 76. Let's first have a look at the history of Ruston Bucyrus. Ruston Bucyrus Limited was an engineering company established in 1930, jointly owned by Ruston and Hornsby, based in Lincoln, England, and Bucyrus-Erie, based in South Milwaukee, Wisconsin, the latter of which had operational control, and into which the excavator manufacturing operation of Ruston and Hornsby was transferred. The Bucyrus Company proper, from which the Bucyrus component of the Ruston Bucyrus name was created, was an American company founded in 1880 in Bucyrus, Ohio. During the Second World War, the company developed a trench cutting machine known by the code name Cultivator No. 6 at the request of Winston Churchill. Gradually, universal excavators designed by Bucyrus-Erie replaced Ruston and Hornsby design models. The original range of standardized rope-operated machines included 10RB, 17RB, 19RB, seen here, and 33RB. Well, when I saw this model on the Black Friday sale listed at £5.99, I thought it's a nice looking model that I could have trackside, and it would be a nice addition to the layout. Ruston Bucyrus excavators actually span the steam age from the 1920s right through to the 1970s, and even beyond that. I decided that adding a British Rail decal would add extra interest to the model, and it may have even been authentic, as after World War II, many of these industrial excavators may have been commandeered by the British Railway Executive and transferred into civil engineering projects, expanding the rail network. I certainly think the decal doesn't look out of place. The next thing was to weigh this model, because the amount of die cast on it is very surprising. It is an all metal model apart from the ropes. The weight is very close to 113 grams, 112.87. Dimensions is 10 centimeters long, height is 4 centimeters, and the width is 3.5. The model can be used as a static model, or it can be used as heavy freight, with the likes of the Warwell wagons seen here. It does have the downside of the tracks aren't movable, they are fixed, but I think you have to take the pros and cons from this and say, well, this is a very high quality all metal model, and okay, the tracks are not movable, but I think the quality of the model speaks for itself, especially for £5.99. You cannot argue with that. So let's have a look at some scoring for it. Okay, first of all, quality. I've given the unit 5. It has lots of die cast. It's almost 100% metal, so 5. Finish, the paint finish is excellent. There's really nothing to fault here with this model, so I've given this 5. Features, it's fully rotatable, but it does not function as an excavator. It is posable, but it's a static item, so I've given it 4. Scale realism, proportions against locomotives, wagons, vehicles, it's perfect, so 5. And value for money, based on the price paid of $5.99 in a sale, I would definitely say that's 5. So that gives a final score for this model for 24 out of 25. And I think that if this does come up in sale and you have an opportunity to buy this model, I would certainly go for it. I would highly recommend it. So I hope you've enjoyed this episode, and I'll see you next time.